Hello, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your trusted source for all things well-being. Today, we're delving deep into a fundamental aspect of our daily lives: the importance of staying adequately hydrated. Believe it or not drinking enough water can have significant repercussions on your overall health. So, grab your favorite water bottle, settle in, and let's explore the 8 signs you're not getting enough H2O. Sign number 1. The color of urine. Alright, let's kick things off with something we encounter every day but might not pay enough attention to: the color of our urine. It may not be the most glamorous topic, but the color of your urine can tell you a lot about your hydration status. If your urine resembles the color of a refreshing lemonade, you're likely doing well. However, if it's leaning towards a darker, apple juice hue, it's a clear indicator that you might need to up your water intake. Dehydration concentrates urine, giving it a darker color, so aim for that lemonade shade to ensure you're well hydrated. Sign number 2. Your skin is thirsty. Moving on to sign number 2, your skin. Our skin is the largest organ in our body and often serves as a mirror reflecting our internal health. If you've noticed your skin feeling dry and lackluster, it could be a sign that you're not hydrating enough. Water plays a pivotal role in maintaining the elasticity and suppleness of your skin. Without enough hydration, your skin can become dry and prone to issues. So, if you're reaching for the moisturizer more frequently than usual, it might be your body's way of asking for more water. Sign number 3. Persistent headaches. Now, let's discuss headaches. Those nagging pains that can disrupt our daily lives. While occasional headaches are common, if you find yourself reaching for pain relievers more often than not, dehydration might be the culprit. Water is crucial for maintaining proper blood flow to the brain, and when you're dehydrated, it can lead to reduced blood flow, triggering persistent headaches. Before you reach for that pain reliever, try reaching for a glass of water to see if it alleviates the discomfort. Sign number 4. Constant fatigue. Feeling tired all the time? It might not just be the result of a hectic schedule or lack of sleep. Dehydration can significantly impact your energy levels. Water plays a vital role in transporting nutrients and oxygen throughout your body, contributing to overall energy levels. If you're constantly feeling fatigued, it could be a sign that you need to up your water intake. Instead of reaching for that third cup of coffee, consider sipping on water throughout the day to maintain consistent energy levels. Sign number 5. Dry mouth and bad breath. Moving on to a sign that often goes hand in hand: dry mouth and bad breath. Saliva is our body's natural defense against bacteria, and when you're dehydrated, your mouth becomes a breeding ground for odor-causing bacteria. If you find yourself reaching for breath mints more frequently or experiencing dry mouth, it might be time to increase your water intake. Hydrating your mouth can contribute not only to fresher breath but also to overall oral health. Sign number 6. Joint pain. Let's talk about joint pain, something that can be attributed to various factors, including dehydration. Water is essential for lubricating joints and ensuring smooth movement. When you're dehydrated, your joints can become stiff and achy. If you're experiencing persistent joint pain without an apparent cause, it might be worth considering if dehydration is playing a role. Increasing your water intake could provide relief and contribute to better joint health. Sign number 7. Constipation troubles. Now, let's address something that affects many but is often overlooked: digestive health. Constipation can be a sign that you're not getting enough water. Adequate hydration is essential for softening the stool and promoting regular bowel movements. If you're struggling with constipation, it might be worth assessing your water intake. While fiber is important, water works in conjunction to ensure a healthy and efficient digestive system. Sign number 8. Dizziness and lightheadedness. Last but certainly not least, let's discuss dizziness and lightheadedness. Dehydration can lead to a drop in blood volume, causing your blood pressure to decrease and leaving you feeling dizzy. If you often find yourself wobbling or feeling lightheaded when you stand up, it could be a sign that your body is in need of more water. Keeping a water bottle within reach and sipping throughout the day can help maintain proper fluid balance and reduce these symptoms. There you have it, folks. A detailed exploration of the 8 signs you might not be drinking enough water. Remember, staying hydrated goes beyond quenching your thirst. It's about supporting your body's optimal function. If any of these signs resonate with you, don't fret. Small adjustments to your daily water intake can make a significant difference. So, let's commit to a healthier, more hydrated version of ourselves. This is Leo M from Health Spiffy, signing off. Stay hydrated, stay spiffy, and take care of yourselves.